leader committed to peace, development, and nation building. Today we gather in honor of one whose influence transcends politics, cultural, and ethnic boundaries. Your Royal Majesty, indeed, you are a true beacon of peace and hope for this country. The rich culture you display at your gathering is very important to the nation, especially in tourism and for national development. I have personally interacted with you, and I serve you myself in the palace. I keep serving you and have interacted a lot with you before even my appointment as the substantive minister for Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs. And I cannot put in words the depth of wisdom and knowledge you've imparted to me and the knowledge you share with Ghanaians. At a time when some people are calling for the abolishment of chieftaincy institution that has been bedeviled in some cases by conflict in years past, we are on the contrary proud and honored to associate ourselves as a ministry with Opemsuo, whose efforts in education, health, poverty reduction, conflict resolution, and capacity building for traditional leaders are remarkable, and we are proud of you. We are also proud as a nation to be living in the times of perhaps the most influential king of the Ashanti Kingdom that has come in our time. You are truly a national treasure who has held high the flag of Ghana wherever you have been. The level of respect you command is remarkable, from the shores of Ghana to other countries and to the United Nations. Your incredible feats have not gone unnoticed. Your Royal Majesty, you have made the Ashanti culture, values, and tradition a very important part of our national development, and it's now sitting well with our modern democracy, and the 21st century modern technology has come to embrace your culture and your development agenda. You have established a concept of kinship that is more suited to the spirit of the new and changed conditions and challenges of today. As government, we commend your unwavering commitment to raising the standards of education, which has benefited over 1 million students in all the 16 regions of this country. For over 22 years, several critical sectors such as health, water, and sanitation have benefited from numerous projects from your Opemsuo Charity Foundation, not to mention initiatives towards poverty alleviation. This shows what we can achieve when visionary traditional leaders such as you actively involved in the development of our country. As a show of support and as means of ensuring sustainable financing for our chiefs and traditional rulers, government is in the process of establishing the Chieftaincy Development Fund to enable the chiefs and our traditional rulers play their roles as leaders in our community. This will help our traditional rulers to undertake development projects within their traditional areas without waiting for central government. It will also help to strengthen capacity building of our chiefs and training of our chiefs and queen mothers. It is high time we made the Chieftaincy institution the fulcrum around which our local development evolves. I am also, as the substantive minister, in the process of reviewing the sections of the Chieftaincy Act 208, Act 759, and the legislative instruments 798 to reflect the current trend of events, as well as restore some power to our traditional leaders. Your Majesty, we are in the presence of a man who has been a symbol of peace amidst successive governments and politics. It transcends across the country. Your advocacy for arbitration instead of litigation has been the backbone to the sustained peace we enjoy as a nation. We are thankful for your continued contribution towards peace in this country, just as we are for your several interventions in the past. When governments sometimes struggle to bring peace to conflict areas, you have stood up, and I recount the age-old Dagbon Chieftaincy conflict, which through your leadership helped the nation to bring it to a successful conclusion and to peace in the area. We also have done something in the past that we have involved you, Opemsuo, such as the Boko conflict, which we have brought to your table and under your throne to help the government resolve. Peace has always been a core value in our tradition, and we have come to embodify it in our times, such as we see today. In my concluding remarks, I want us all to celebrate His Royal Majesty Opemsuo the Asantehene for his invaluable contribution to the Asante Kingdom and to our nation, Ghana, and to the entire African continent and the world at large. Your Royal Majesty, I join everyone here in this gathering to wish you more years and strong health and many more years of unbridled impact on our lives. Long live the King, long live His Royal Majesty, long live Asante Man, long live Ghana, and thank you. God bless you, Opemsuo.